Hey guys, Bad Ford F-150 here. Got a couple models today. Haven't been out of the house about 3 or 4 days, so thinking that might as well get out, do something. So, yeah. Been seeing you guys, few of you guys, showing the workplaces, workshops. I think I might as well show mine. Ain't really that fancy, ain't really that big. But here it is. The right kind of focuses. There it goes. It's on a say 3x8, not 2x8, 3x6 plastic table. Over there is my workplace. Paint supply, laptop, future projects, and the new projects. I'm going to do this one for my dad. He don't know it. And went to AC Moore, my local craft shop, where I get some of my models, and got bead wire. I'm going to try and wire up some motors. So, yeah. And what does a 49 Mark and a 2008 Shelby GT500 have in common? Nothing. Yet. I have got a, 08 Shelby GT500 that is going to donate its 5.4 liter supercharged engine to this 49 Mark. It's going to be a complete sleeper. Well, can't really be a sleeper, it's a hot rod. It's going to have the power of a 5.4 liter Shelby engine with the classy looks of a 49 Mark. Street machines beware. And I got a project over here that I'm not going to be building. You know, of course, basement, my old train table. Yeah. You guys have seen it. I believe some of you built that. It is the 72 Chevy Cheyenne, or C10. And I believe it's all here. It's mostly all. It's all here? Yeah, it's all here. I believe so. I'm never going to do anything with it because I already have another one, and I don't really like this one. There's not enough parts for me to not enough parts, not enough pieces for me to really explore. Because the materials together, the frame, the exhaust, everything's all together, framed together. There's peg, there's a rod for it, grill, hood, not much. I don't know. Hook me up, send me a private message. I also got a 2010 Dodge Challenger put together kit. No motor, no nothing, just one of them cheap. See? One of them cheap ones. If you guys want to. I know a lot of you guys like kit bashing. This is the one with the no motor. You know, put together display. But I know some of you guys out there like to really. This is all here. Everything is all here. I was thinking about yanking the wheels out of it because, wheels look pretty good. I don't know if you. I never really sent anything out to any of you guys before. So Any of you guys want to, shoot me an email if you guys want. Yeah. But, that's me for now, guys. Nova's done. I'll still be working on the wheelies. We'll be painting up the door panels next. And, yeah. Apparently it's starting to rain here. My brother just sent me a message, says it's raining. And it's 35 degrees out. But, yeah. And my workspace again. In a project truck. There's the bed. But yeah, subscribe, comment, do whatever you need to do, guys. This is Bad Ford F-150, out of here.